Welcome, future innovators and confident pitchers. Today, we're zeroing in on a critical aspect that follows your pitch deck presentation, handling the Q&A section with finesse. After delivering a compelling pitch, the Q&A session is your arena to further validate your startup's potential and directly address investor inquiries. Let's navigate through strategies to manage this session effectively, turning potential challenges into opportunities for deeper engagement. First up, anticipate common questions. By preparing for the queries you're most likely to face, you can craft thoughtful, data-backed responses that underscore your startup's strengths. Topics might range from your revenue model and market analysis to how you differentiate from competitors. Practice active listening. Each question is a window into what investors are thinking or concerned about. Listen carefully, not just for the question's content, but for the intent behind it. This ensures your answers are as relevant and impactful as possible. Maintain your calm and stay positive. Even when faced with tough questions, keeping a positive and composed demeanor can significantly influence the session's tone and investor perception. Back up your answers with data. Whenever you can, anchor your responses in concrete data, research findings, or specific examples. This not only adds credibility, but also demonstrates your command over your business and its market environment. It's okay to admit what you don't know. Honesty in these moments can actually build trust. If you don't have an answer, acknowledge it and commit to providing the information after the meeting. Use the Q&A to elaborate. Questions can serve as a springboard to share additional insights or highlight aspects of your startup that the pitch didn't cover. View each query as a chance to deepen the investor's understanding of your value proposition. Remember to follow up. If there are questions you need to circle back on, make a note and ensure you address them promptly after the meeting. This shows diligence and respect for the investor's due diligence process, and practice makes perfect. Regularly simulating a Q&A session with a mock audience can sharpen your responses and delivery, making you more adept at handling live questions. The Q&A session is not just a hurdle to clear, it's a golden opportunity to solidify interest and confidence in your startup. By preparing thoroughly and approaching each question as an opportunity, you can navigate this session with the same confidence and clarity that characterized your pitch. Now, over to you. How do you prepare for the unpredictable dynamics of the Q&A session? Share your strategies or any memorable experiences where a well-handled Q&A made all the difference.